Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Install Visual Studio with the Azure and NET workloads, then add Azure Function's core tools. Once done, install Azure or enable the storage emulator so bindings work locally. Create a new Azure Functions project in Visual Studio, pick the runtime version that matches production, choose your trigger, HTTP, timer, blob, and set the function name. Make sure project references restored and local. Settings, JSON exists. This gets secrets and connection strings for local execution. Next, configure bindings and storage so functions run predictably. Open local. Settings, JSON and set Azure Web Job Storage, connection strings, and functions worker runtime to match your language worker. Then verify host. JSON and any extension bundles, mismatched versions break bindings. If you use blob or queue triggers, start Azure at first, otherwise the function will hang. Also restore NuGet and extension packages. Once configuration matches runtime, build the project and set the desired function as the startup item for local debugging. Finally, run the function locally with F5. Visual Studio launches the function's host. You can attach breakpoints and step through code to observe behavior. Test HTTP triggers with a browser or postman and invoke other triggers by placing messages in queues or blobs. Make sure to read console logs for host startup and binding errors. If things go wrong, first verify the function's runtime version and path to core tools. Confirm Azure/storage is running and check for port conflicts. Adjust ports or kill the conflicting process as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.